Okay, today I'm going to talk about configuring port security in autoLearn mode on a COMWARE switch in this case. So I've got a topology here. So let me just explain the topology. So we've got uh, two physical switches bundled into a single stacked switch. And we have these switches are connected to switch 1 and switch 2 using bridge aggregation ports. And we have a host 1 and host 2 down the bottom. So let me go ahead and just show you the procedure here. This is actually from this website. So I just put it into Notepad uh, for so I can just easily copy and paste the commands. So configuring port security in autoLearn mode. So procedure. So you just, you just have to go into the system view. So let me go to, and by the way, I'm configuring this port security in switch 1 or in switch 1. And I've got the console to switch 1 here opened. So I'm just gonna copy and paste the commands here. So I am already in system view. So I'm just gonna copy and paste this command, port security enable. That's how you enable port security in the system view mode. And here, this is how you set the secure Mac agent timer to 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna copy and paste the command. So port security timer autoLearn aging, we are setting it to 30 minutes. And next is set port security's limit on the number of secure MAC addresses to 2. So I'm setting the limit of MAC addresses that can be learned on a port in this case. So I'm setting it to 2. So this is how so you have to do it in the interface level. So, and by the way, this is the port that is connected to switch 1, I mean to host 1. So that port, let me do a show display first. Display this. So this is the current configuration on that port. Bridge, port link mode bridge. This is in VLAN 30. Not sure about port link mode. Let me do what's the other? Yeah, I think bridge meaning that it is connected a layer 2. So bridge is a layer 2 port. Switch to layer 2 Ethernet. And route is layer 3 port. So like I said, VLAN 30. Uh, and this is STP edged port. I believe this is the same as I forgot the command, but this is basically to disable or to tell the port to not to go into forwarding directly, forwarding state. So this is what this commands does. So let me go back here. So like I said, this is how you configure or set the secure MAC addresses to 2 in this case. And this is how you set the security mode to autoLearn. Let me do a question mark here and see what's the other options. Okay, so we have lots of options, but I'm setting it to autoLearn. And this is how you configure the port to be silent for 30 seconds after the intrusion protection feature is triggered. See here. So I'm just gonna copy and paste this command. All right, and quit. And this is, so basically the I believe the port is gonna go into shutdown mode for 30 seconds. Timer disabled port, yeah, 30 seconds. I believe the default is 20 seconds, but I'm setting it to 30 seconds in this case. And that's it. So let me do a display this. So these are the commands that we just configured. Um, and let me go, we do show interface. So up, the port is up, and brief. So the port is up, and it's in VLAN 30 or 30. Duplex auto, type is access port, I believe. And speed is 1 gig, set to auto as well. So this is, so let me do this command to verify the port security on this particular interface. So autoLearn aging time is 30 minutes. And current secure MAC addresses is 0. Max secure MAC addresses is 2. So securing MAC address attribute. Learning mode sticky. I believe once a MAC address is learned on this particular port, it will be um, saved in the running configuration. Uh, it will be saved as a sticky MAC address, I think. Let me actually verify that. Sticky mode, or so what's the other commands? So here, oops, port security, port mode, autoLearn. Oh, I think MAC address. I security. Here, sticky. So yeah, sticky MAC address. But that's the command that we saw here. Here, learning mode sticky. So let me actually do a port display port security MAC address security interface. It says no MAC address found, but let us go to the host here and see if it can ping its gateway. So it's got an IP address of 10.10.11.2. And let's go to the core switch. And the gateway IP address is 10.10.11.1. I'm gonna ping that too. Okay, I can ping it. And I can, let me ping the gateway. I can also ping it. So on switch 1 here, in real world, I should be able to see the MAC address. But this is just a, a lab, so HCL software. So I think this is a bug or something, but I should be able to see the MAC address. No MAC address. Let me do the command again. No MAC address found. So I think it's not supported in in this particular software. So I already showed you this the command of the output of this command, and also this one, and also this one. So I think we're good. So that's how you can actually configure port security in auto learn mode on HP COMWARE devices or switches in this case. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one.